The federal government's revenue rose to 6.9 trillion naira in the first quarter of 2025, up from 5.2 trillion naira in the previous quarter, according to the Minister of Finance, Mr. Wale Edun. Edun disclosed this in Abuja during the citizens and stakeholders' engagement on the implementation of President Bola Tinubu's priorities and ministerial deliverables for the second quarter. He said the 40% increase in revenue was driven by reforms and adjustments, including changes in the exchange rate.
On the fiscal side as well, with the effort to apply technology, block loopholes, stem leakages, we have had in 2024 a huge increase in revenue from just above 12%, 12.5 trillion to 20 trillion naira, virtually 21 trillion. And in the first quarter of this year, likewise, when we even take April into account, first 4 months, we do have a substantial increase in revenue, and that effort continues. There is a daily meeting to ensure that the fiscal data, the figures that come out from the various agencies, Debt Management Office, Budget Office, Office of the Accountant General, that those figures match and can be readily understood by the general public.
The minister explained that while figures on the Accountant General's and Budget Office's websites may differ slightly, reconciliation through notes and templates confirms accuracy and integrity. Edun also said the government's stabilized environment was attracting investment.
Have upgraded Nigeria's ratings. And what that does is, in terms of investor perception, it encourages investors, it assures investors, it makes them feel that yes, that their own analysis of the opportunities is correct. In terms of the pricing throughout the economy, in terms of interest rates, the interest rates that Nigeria pays on its bonds, the better the rating, the lower the interest rates. And if your interest rates are lower internationally, that also helps inflation, and it helps to encourage lower domestic interest rates.
Edun said Nigeria's economy is now on the right track. Also speaking, the Chief Executive Officer of the Ministry of Finance Incorporated, Dr. Armstrong Takang, said MOFI was working to ensure optimal management of public wealth. Takang, represented by Director Tajuddin Ahmed, said MOFI's assets under management had grown to 38 trillion naira from just 20 portfolio accounts. He said the final figure would be higher after reviews of all federal government-owned companies.
From only 20 accounts of our portfolio companies, our asset under management has grew to 38 trillion, only on the 20 portfolio companies. So by the time we finish our reviews on all the portfolio companies, definitely this figure will be much, much higher. And it's important to notify you that our mandate by the presidency is we should raise our assets base to 100 trillion in the next 10 years.